Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi 9C and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. The volume buttons at this device are here, so let me try to tap on this now to see how it works with the camera. And as you can see, now by using them I can easily take a picture. To change its function, let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick this, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's focus on this button from the left with settings. By tapping on this, we can open the advanced camera settings. And as you can see here, we have volume buttons function options. So when we tap on this, we can pick from the shutter, which is now shutter countdown, zoom or volume. So for now let me change this to zoom to show you how it works different. Let's go back to the camera and now let me try to use these buttons once again. As you can see, now I can easily get closer to my subject by using this button here, and also by using the second one I can go back, so I can use zoom easily. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.